Hi everyone, welcome to this new tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to clean, optimize and speed up your computer or laptop. Either you're using Windows 10, Windows 8.1 or Windows 7. And we'll be doing this without using any third-party software. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is to press on our keyboard the Windows key and the letter R all at the same time. And this new Windows will pop up showing Run, as you can see below here. Another way to open this window is to go through the Windows search option and type in Run. Let me show you. As you can see here, we have the Run app right on top here. You click on it. And now in the search area, let's type in the following command. I'm gonna add it in the description below. We type in the %, temp and %. And let's click OK. And as you can see now, we have a new window pop up. And in this folder, you see temporary files, or let me say unnecessary files. All these useless files are third-party files. And since they are not useful, let's delete all. From my keyboard, I'm going to press Ctrl and A to select all. And let's click delete. You discover that you're unable to delete some of these files. Nothing to worry about. It simply means that it belongs to programs that are recently in use. So we're going to click on do this to all current item and click on skip. What else can we do here? Very simple. Let's go back to the same window, press on your keyboard the Windows key and R, just as we did earlier. And this time we're going to type in temp without the % signs. Let's click OK. The difference between these files and the ones we saw before is that these ones are generated by the same operating system, I mean by Windows. And this is why you can't see any third-party program right here. So what are we going to do with these files? We're going to do the same thing. Let's delete all. Click on, select all and click on delete. Click on continue. Like I said earlier, any of this file that you're unable to delete belongs to programs that are recently in use. So we're going to check this box and click skip. Another thing we can do here is to go back to the same window. Well, this time let's use the window search option. Type in run. I'm gonna click on the run app. And this time we're gonna use a different command. We're going to type in prefetch. As you can see here, let's click on OK. All the files here, they are also unnecessary files. They're only taking space on your computer for nothing. These are programs generated, these are files generated by programs we use. So we're going to delete all. I'm going to select all and click delete. Check this box and skip. Now in the search area, let's type in eventvwr. As you can see here, we have the eventvwr app right on top. Let's click on it. And now let's click on Windows log. We have some information here. So let's check this. Let's click on this small arrow by the left. We're going to enter into the application. I'm going to click on application. As you can see, we have a lot of events that happen on this computer. These are unnecessary information, so we're going to clear all. So how do we clear these? We're going to do these by right clicking on application. Right click. And we're going to click on clear log. We have this small window, so we're going to click on clear. So we are going to do the same thing to all what we have in the list here: security, setup, system, and forwarded event. So when you right click on security, clear log, clear. So let's do the same to setup. Right click, clear log, and clear. The same to system. Right click, clear log, and clear. We're doing the same thing here. We have this folder empty, but should in case you have some information here, just right click, clear log, and clear. We're done in the Windows logs. So let's close this window. For the next step, let's click on File Explorer. I'm going to show you the other way to access the File Explorer. I'm going to close these. Let's go back to our Windows search option. We have the File Explorer here, or you can type in File Explorer. We have a File Explorer app here. Let's click on it. Now we're going to right click on the C drive. As you can see here, this is where we have our Windows operating system being installed. We're going to right click and let's go to properties. And here we have this small window pop up. We have to make sure that we are under general. So let's click on disk cleanup. And we're going to have another window pop up right here. As you can see here, I can free up to 5.8 GB of disk space. You can check all the options you want to delete here. Here I have my recycle bin. I'm going to check my recycle bin and I click OK. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? I'm going to click delete files. Continue. Let me show you another way to free up space in your computer. We're going to click on File Explorer once again. Right click on the local disk on the C drive. Go back to Properties. We're going to click on Disk Cleanup again. But this time, we're going to click on Clean up system files. This might take few minutes, depends on your computer. Here you can check this Windows Update Cleanup. The recycle bin, I have my recycle bin empty. If you have anything in the recycle bin, you can also click on it and click OK. Click delete files. This might take some time depending on your computer. I'm gonna click OK. I'll close the folder. Finally, let's disable Windows unnecessary startup programs. When you first get your computer, there is no doubt that it started up very fast. But over time, as you started installing different programs, you notice that your computer started going slower. This happened because most of the programs you have installed on your computer start up when you start the computer. And the more startup program you have, the longer it will take the computer to start. So how do we disable these unnecessary startup programs in Windows? Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard. And let's type in this command. Click OK. We're going to click on Services. Check the button Hide all Microsoft services. And we're going to uncheck most of these programs. I'm going to uncheck the Adobe Acrobat Update Service. I'm going to uncheck this. Uncheck. I'm going to uncheck all of this. Let's go to Startup, Open Task Manager. As you can see here, all these programs start with your operating system. Right click to disable it. Disable, right click, disable, right click, disable. I'm going to do the same to all the program here. I'm gonna leave these two, close, apply, and okay. All right, that's all in this first part on how to speed up your computer. I'll see you in the next video.